Hello world! In this tutorial I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a triangle in CSS playing around with the border property. Here we have just a simple CodePen project which has a body and some properties to align everything in the center and the background image of a radial gradient. So nothing fancy. Next in the HTML, let's add an element. We can call it element, it's not that important. Now let's go into the CSS. Let's say element, and here we're going to play with the border property. First, we want to make sure that this element doesn't have a width and a height, so we want to clear that out. Width and height to be 0. Next, let's set a border property so we can see how it looks. So border and some bigger value like 50 pixels, solid, and let's give it a white color. Now you can see that a square appeared. But why is that? Well, that's because the border property actually styles all the 4 borders. We have border top, border right, border bottom, and border left. Let's see what happens if we take one of the borders and give it another color. So border, left, color, and let's say purple. Now you can see that we have a triangle. Basically, because we don't have a width and height of this element, the borders start from this center point. So, giving it a width of 50 pixels, it spans across 50 pixels here, and you can see that we have some sort of triangle. Now let's see how we can only leave the triangle. So that's pretty easy. We can change this white color to transparent. And if we do that, you can see that we have a triangle. Let me make this white. Look at that. We have a triangle pointing to the right. But what if we want the triangle pointing to the bottom? Then we can set the border top color property to be a white. Look how easy it was. Or let's say maybe we want a triangle to be rectangular. We can do that by adding the border right color, so the border from here, to be white, or whatever color you want. Look at that. Now we have a rectangular triangle, and it's also pointing to the top right side. If you want to switch it around, you can change this to be bottom and left. Yeah, so you can see how easy it is to have a triangle playing around with the border property in CSS. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you did, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Bye.